Riyadh Knives XO-K carbide. So there's a trainer and there's actual carbide. So there's a button right here, but it's not like a regular folding knife. It will have to clear this last section. So how does this work? Probably would recommend trying it with this trainer. It's not sharp, the blue one. Then close it. Boom. Now let's go quick. Hold it this way, flip it over, boom, lock it. And the actual knife, the sharp one, is a lot more smoother, so just boom, and press it, let go, like that. That's it. So smooth. I can even hear the clickiness. Like they have to have a certain like flick to it for it to deploy all the way. Press it, you see not enough click, it will not work. So nice. And let's see if I can flick it out all the way. Move the camera this way right here. That's kind of fancy way to do it. Okay, one more time, fancy way to do it. Definitely takes a little bit of practice, but you see how it didn't get deployed all the way. So just press the button, boom. Still practicing. I only been practicing for 1 day and already got it. And I'm not good with the butterfly knives or anything like that. This is just totally different. With the trainer, I'm a little bit more comfortable and confident. Super cool. Very unique fidgety knife.